In this video, I'm going to do a review of the Franklin Covey Everyday Stickers. This video will be helpful if you saw these stickers on the Franklin Planner website but wanted to get a more close-up look at them before purchasing them. And this video will be helpful if you're looking for stickers that can be used for everyday and functional use. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, are you on Facebook? If so, please search for @ITonyaPlans and like and follow my Facebook page. Are you watching from YouTube? If so, hey, hi! Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tonya_plans. All of the items that you see in this video can be found underneath the YouTube video by expanding the description area and clicking on the link. And also you can save money on the franklinplanner.com website by using promo code TonyaPlans. You get a total of 810 colorful stickers in this sticker pack. Let's open it up. Okay, so the first page here, this is just a cardboard sheet. These are not actual stickers. And you get 9 pages, and on each page there are 90 sticker tabs. So that's a total of 810 stickers, and these are the colors that it looks like we will be getting. So let's take a closer look at this. So you get a navy blue page. And with the navy blue page, you get like a balloon sticker here where you can use a little point to something in your planner. You get a to-do sticker, and you get a blue sticker that's an asterisk. So all of the stickers on this page are the same. Let me just give you a close-up of these. Now these stickers are printed on heavy matte paper, so the quality is there. The back is blank. Let's go to the next page here. You get some black stickers here, and these are dental stickers with a little cute tooth picture on the little balloon one. Now what I like about these stickers is that if you have a compact or personal size planner, these stickers will go in your planner because they are small enough. Some stickers, now at the bottom here you'll see these stickers are for doctor. This next one has like a lime green stickers and then a beautiful blue color stickers. These are to flag your hair appointments, and there's cute little scissors there. That one says hair appointment, and there's some scissors. At the bottom here it says clean. Who doesn't need to clean something? The next page says travel, so there you can flag your travel with these stickers. And at the bottom are stickers for birthdays. These next stickers are a beautiful emerald green. They have payday on them. That's going to be very helpful to me because I like to put payday stickers on my monthly calendar pages, and these say grocery, and that way I can plan out how I'm going to spend my paycheck. These stickers, this is like a light bluish color. It says sports, so if you have children or if you yourself participate in sports, or if you like to watch sports on TV and you don't want to miss those times that the sports come on, you can flag the times of sports with these stickers. Then here you have some black stickers that says game night. These stickers are like a orangey peachy color, and that says exercise. So you get a whole page of the exercise stickers. Then you get a whole page of date night stickers. That'd be great. It's got a cute little ice cream cone on these stickers. Then you have a whole page of stickers for meetings. So next what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put one of these stickers on one of my planner pages so you can just see how that will look. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mark a payday in January that's coming up, because every year in January on my payday I need to pay my annual life insurance premium. And wow, this sticker is like a harder cardboard. It is not flimsy paper at all. It's like it's cardboard quality, a light cardboard quality. So in January, my first payday is January 9th. So these are my daily pages. These are a day on 2 pages. And if you like to see the video that I did on these planner pages, I will link that below. I did a separate video on that. So I'm just going to flag over here that this is my payday, and you could put the sticker wherever you want. That's for personal preference, but I want to write something next to this sticker, which is why I'm going to do that. You know what, instead of placing it here, I think I'm going to place it over here on my prioritized daily task list. I'm just going to. Now again, I have the compact size planner. So with this planner, it's a smaller size, and these stickers are great for that because they are small enough. What I hate is getting stickers that are just huge, humongous, and I can't use it in my planner because my planner pages are already compact. So these stickers will be great for no matter what size planner you have. And so beside here, once a year I have to pay my annual life insurance premiums, and I pay them in January when I get paid. So I'm just going to put here on this payday like a reminder in my prioritized task list that I need to pay those premiums. Okay, so I did that there. Here's a close-up. So that pretty much concludes this video. Stickers are a great way to call attention to meetings, to birthdays, to dress up your plans, to show personality in your plans. Stickers are great for all of those things. So please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching. This is Tonya, helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.